Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English, where simple English meets real life. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. Today we're talking about something we all feel almost every day, being tired.
Ah yes, tired, that word we use all the time. I'm tired. So tired. Totally exhausted. It's almost like the new hello.
That's true. It's like being tired has become normal. But, have you ever wondered why? Why are we always so tired, even when we sleep, eat, and rest?
Good question. Let's talk about that today. We'll look at why we feel tired, what kind of tired it is, and how to get our energy back, in simple English, of course.
First, let's start with the obvious: not enough sleep. Many people go to bed late and wake up early. They scroll on their phones before sleeping, or they work too long.
Yes. Studies show that most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep, but many only get 5 or 6. That missing time slowly builds up, like a sleep debt.
Sleep debt, I like that phrase. It's like when you borrow time from your body, but one day you have to pay it back. And your body will remind you, with yawns, low mood, and no focus.
Exactly. But sleep is only one part. There's also mental tiredness. Even if we don't move much, our brain can feel overworked. Thinking all day, worrying about work, or checking messages every 5 minutes, that also makes us tired.
I call that mind tired. It's like your brain is open 24/7, even when your body stops, your thoughts keep running.
Right. And then there's digital tiredness. Have you ever looked at your phone for so long that your eyes feel heavy, but your brain still keeps scrolling? That's a real kind of exhaustion.
Oh, yes. Screen time can drain our energy more than we realize. It's not just physical, it's emotional. We see too much information, too many opinions, too many updates. Our brain says, stop, but our fingers keep going.
That's so true. So we have 3 kinds of tiredness: body tired, mind tired, and screen tired. But there's one more: emotional tiredness. When we deal with stress, arguments, or disappointment, it also drains our energy.
Yes. You can sleep 8 hours and still wake up feeling empty. That's emotional tiredness. Sometimes we just need peace, not sleep.
That's deep: peace, not sleep. I like that. Okay, now that we know the reasons, let's talk about how to feel better.
Tip number 1: fix your sleep schedule. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. It helps your body clock stay balanced.
Tip number 2: give your eyes and brain a break. Every hour, look away from screens for 5 minutes. Or take a short walk. It sounds small, but it really helps.
Tip number 3: move your body. A 10-minute walk, stretching, or light exercise can wake up your energy. When your body moves, your mind feels more alive.
Tip number 4: drink water. Many people feel tired not because they are sleepy, but because they are dehydrated. Water helps your brain and body stay alert.
And tip number 5: disconnect. Turn off your phone for an hour, stop checking emails, or just sit quietly. Real rest is not only about sleeping, it's also about giving your mind a break.
Perfect. And here's a little question for our listeners: we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What makes you feel tired the most? A. Lack of sleep. B. Stress. C. Too much screen time. Vote in the comments and tell us your secret way to recharge.
That's a great question. And yes, recharging is so important. Just like your phone, you also need to recharge your energy. No one can run forever without rest.
I like that comparison. And here's another quick idea: when you feel tired, ask yourself, what kind of tired am I? That question helps you know what you really need.
Yes. If it's body tired, sleep or move. If it's mind tired, relax. If it's emotional tiredness, talk to someone or take time alone. Each type needs a different kind of rest.
Sometimes, we try to push through tiredness, thinking that more work or more coffee will help. But real strength comes from knowing when to stop and recharge.
Totally. Rest is not weakness, it's wisdom. Taking care of yourself helps you do better, think better, and live better.
Before we finish, let's learn 3 simple words related to today's topic. The first word is tired. It means needing rest or sleep. Example 1, I'm tired after studying all day. Example 2, you look tired, go take a nap.
The second word is rest. It means to stop working and relax. Example 1, I need a short rest before dinner. Example 2, rest is important for your health.
And the third word is energy. It means strength or power to do things. Example 1, exercise gives me more energy. Example 2, I lose energy when I stay up too late.
Great words. So next time you say, I'm tired, think about why, and give your body, mind, or heart the kind of rest it really needs.
Thanks for listening to BBB's 5-Minute English. Don't forget to like, share, and tell us in the comments, what helps you feel less tired?
We'll see you next time. Remember, it's okay to rest. You're not lazy, you're just recharging. Bye everyone.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Before you leave, please give this video a like and add it to your favorites. And if you'd like to keep learning together with me, don't forget to subscribe to BBB Learning English. See you in the next video.